It's your favorite, Laura. I'm so sorry. I did not post for a while, but we got some packaging, so let's open it. What are you waiting for? Please like and subscribe, please. I got Ashi. It's the... Sorry. Next, it's this. What's this? Ew. And next, Big Ma, my favorite. It's not Oshi. It's still okay. This is an Oshi challenge. This is not Oshi, so yeah, I was okay. So it said Ashi wow bag. Anghang. Cheesy. Corny. Corny ang corny mo. Scan to watch twice to Oshi music video here. Wow. Okay, in the back. Ay, ito pala yung front. Ito yung front, guys. Tapos ito naman yung back. Ay, hindi. Ito yung front. Ito yung back. Okay. So, yung back. Collect all 15 designs. Put the card inside. Sarap. Oshi. Oh, wow. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Like and subscribe. So, what are we going to get in this? Dati, nakakuha ko ng Oshi bag, diba? Galing kay Tita Bulak. Oo. Tapos, bago naman to. Diba may stickers yun, guys? Pag di ko po yun nasend, nasend ko ba yun sa YouTube, guys? Hindi ko na-remember eh. Dati pa kasi yun. Let's open it! Oshi. Sarap. Yummy. Sarap. Ba't may corny dito? E di sasabihin ba't corny? Ang corny mo! Cherries. Nasira ba? Oh no! Pake! Papanood ka kasi sa TikTok, guys. TikTok. So, first, kunin natin, potato fries. Kakainin natin. Oh my God, my favorite. Maanghang siya. Spicy flavor. Pero ito, guys, yung isa, ito maanghang. Ito naman, spicy flavor. Ba naman? Okay. Pillows. Okay. Tapos, ano naman to? Migos. Sweet corn. Okay. Ito naman. Pillows na naman. Tapos, ano pa? Oh! Meron siyang... Guys, dito pala nakukuha yung photo card. Hindi pala sa malaking Oshi na parang ganito, guys. Akala ko gano'n. Bumili pa ako kagabi. Guys, kagabi. Ano kayo makukuha natin? Okay. Oh, wow. Oshi. Baka masira. Wait lang, i-scissors ko na lang para baka masira ko. Saan yung harapan at saan yung likod? Ay, mali. Sobrang takas na. Wala pa rin! Sorry, guys. So guys, nakuha natin to. Tama yung likod. Ang ganda niya, guys. So cute. Okay, let's flip it. Ano to? Di ko alam to. Comment kung sino to. Di ko to kilala. Kasi hindi ako Twice fan, guys. Bini lang ako. Hello, Miyas-Miyasay. Malit lang pala to. Ayun lang pala. Guys. Ang cute niya, guys. So, like and subscribe for the next challenge. Bye!